Did you turn that microphone off? Yeah. All right. Yay loud Christmas gifts. Ill-fitting clothes and long intros? I am SD and absolutely not on this channel. Now it's one thing to tailor cheap clothes that you get from Target, but what if you spent like 60 or 70 bucks on your shirt? You've got some more skin in the game. You don't want to ruin it, so you take it to a professional. And that's fine for like 2 shirts, but what if you have like 6? You gonna pay like $400 in tailoring cost? I don't want to pay that. Let's do it ourselves. We are gonna tailor this shirt from Express, which costs like 10 times the amount of money that I normally spend on my shirts. Oh, what's that? You've never tailored anything before and you're really kind of lost and confused? Don't worry. Go check out the description. You will learn everything you need to learn, like where to find a sewing machine or how to measure your dress shirts. Now, I am not a fan of spending a lot of money on my clothes, but to be honest with you, sometimes I kind of forget how much nicer, more expensive clothes can be. This shirt already has a way slimmer fit to it than like all the other shirts that I ever buy do. This right here, this is probably the closest that I've ever come to loving something that is straight off the rack. But there is a problem. It has a slimmer fit, yes, but come on, dude, we can do better. The process is exactly the same as it is for all the other shirts, but take a look at that side really quick. There's 2 things that are different about it from all the other shirts that you're gonna come across. 1, because it has been made slimmer already by the manufacturer, as you can see, those lines don't match up. It's just what happens. It's not that big of a deal. So you gotta pick one. Do you want to wear a shirt that is all big and boxy, but the lines match up? Or a nice sleek and slim one, but the curves are just kinda off-centered a little bit? I know which one I would pick. 2, that is a flat seam on the side. And what's really cool about flat seams is they just lie flat on your body and they don't rub up against your skin like another seam would. They're really comfy, they're pretty nice. But flat seams can be kind of annoying because they end up just sort of rolling around when you're trying to measure them. But the only thing you need to do is take it and fold it so that the seam is either on the top or the bottom of a crease, iron that crease down with some starch, and then just do the exact same thing on the other side. So let's make this whole, I'm gonna make this shirt fit like a glove thing happen. We already measured and pinned it, and I didn't have to be nearly as aggressive with this shirt as I have on previous shirts. On this shirt, I only did like 1 inch to 1.5 inches on the body, when normally I end up having to do like 2.5 inches or 3 inches. And now the easier part, sewing it. We are just doing the body because the sleeves are fine, but what I did is I went and I checked to make sure the sleeves were fine. I pinned them up after I measured them, and I did what I call I call it the flex test. Pin it up and flex your arm. Does it feel too tight? Yeah? Then don't tailor it. That's like the only test that I've ever passed in my entire life. And we are done. We go ahead and we cut off all that extra fabric on the side, and then we go and throw a zigzag stitch on the entire thing so that there's no surprises in the washing machine. And now you can stand out at that office Christmas party in your perfectly tailored shirt when you were about to make a move on that new girl who's over in receivables. That's right, get it. SD out. See ya.